The first and the foremost and the most important is visibility. And critically, it's very, very important. Why it is important? I give you a very basic example. Let's suppose you are opening a store in some shopping mall, not in COVID conditions, in normal conditions for sure. And you are opening an apparel store in some local street, who will have more visibility? Obviously. The store in mall will have more visibility. The more is the visibility of the store, the more chances people will come to your store, the more chances of coming to the store. It's a huge potential for you to make to sell the product and make more profit. So everything, that every process which is followed in the digital marketing or marketing, the most important is visibility. If you are visible to 100 people, the maximum number of sales you can do is 100. But if you are visible to 10,000 people, the chances of sales for you, the opportunity for sale is 10,000. So that is what visibility is. The higher the visibility is, the higher the chances of your business to get sales, conversions, whatever your target is. But in offline marketing earlier, what used to happen is you give a newspaper ad, you do a pamphlet, you do a lot of stuff, but nobody guarantees you anything. Or there was no guarantee whether you are reaching it to your potential customers or not. But in digital marketing, the best part is here you have a lot of filters. Okay, to identify that this is your target audience. Let's say, for example, somebody is looking for an housing loan. What he will go on Google, search housing loans. You will show ads to those people only. You are not showing ads to everyone who is searching XYZ thing. You're showing your ads to people who are looking for it or who wants to know about it. Okay, so you are reaching to your potential customers and letting them know who you are and what you provide. So visibility in digital marketing space is not about visible to everyone, it's about visible to your potential customers. This is critically very important. That saves a huge amount of money in digital marketing, because like if you put a billboard on those who are from Delhi NCR, they understand D&D flyover, there are lakhs and lakhs of cars crosses every single day. Okay, but out of them, how many are your potential customers? How many of them actually saw your ad? That is a big question. You have no idea. Okay, but here in digital marketing, you have an exact idea how many people saw it, how many people clicked on it, how many people filled a form on it, how many calls you generated, and ultimately how much business you have generated. Every single detail is with you. Okay, so that we will cover in other parts, but primarily visibility is that when you are reaching to your potential customers. I hope this point is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Ranjana says yes. Aditya says yes. Great. Okay. Rest of the guys.
Yes, it is clear.
Okay. Clear to Sudhanshu. Guys, quickly give your responses so that we can go ahead. Otherwise,
yes, clear. Yeah.
Perfect. So let's go to the next part. That is how you can do that in digital marketing. This is one example where somebody is searching buy shoes or searching anything and he saw an ad. What is this kind of marketing known as? Anyone knows it? What a term used for this kind of marketing?
Inorganic.
Okay.
Paid. Yeah.
Inorganic paid media, paid marketing. Very correct. Which platform is used to show these ads? Anyone knows?
Google AdWords, and I'm not that much sure, but yeah.
Earlier, it was known as Google AdWords. Now they have renamed it as Google Ads. Okay. And these specific ads are also known as search ads, where uh, the ads which is coming on a search engine are known as search ads. Okay, so Google call them search ads. It's not only on Google, it is also on Bing. You can see it. It is also on ask.com and other platforms as well, other search engines as well. Okay. Do you see these ads over here with an image? Why I'm calling these ads? Because they're over here. It is written sponsored. Why I'm showing you these images? Because if I go on Google, okay, let me type the same keyword. Let's say buy shoes online, you will you will not see any ad because there is no shopping allowed in Delhi NCR, or there is some few people are running it. I don't know why, because they can't deliver it, and they're running ads. These are known as shopping ads. Okay. Why shopping ads? First of all, why these are ads? Because it is sponsored. That means these are ads. And any ad on search engine. This is a search engine, Google. If any ad is coming on search engine with an image, that is a shopping ad. And these shopping ads are only for e-commerce websites. And apart from that, you see these results also here, Myntra, Flipkart, where there is no ad written. So what kind of digital advertising is this?
These are
Anyone knows?
organic results. These are
This is
organic results.
this is organic results, correct? And the technique to come rank on these results is SEO, search engine optimization. I hope everyone knows SEO.
Yes.
Okay, SEO is primarily search engine optimization. In this technique, what we do is we optimize our website or specific pages so that Google can think that this is the best page for this particular keyword, not for all the keywords, and not for everywhere in the world in India, because Myntra provides it in India. Okay, so that is what this website, this technique is. So you can rank on certain keywords in a specific location at specific time. That technique is SEO, search engine optimization. Okay, so you know about now two methods. What could be the third method? Third method of improving your visibility is banner ads like this. Okay, Economic Times is giving a master class. Okay, online training on crisis of supply chain management, which and you can click and check. This is visibility. Uh, oh my God, it's horrible. Okay, these ads are also run by multiple parties, not Google. Right now, we are on Times of India. Times of India has its own network of running their own ads. Apart from that, on Times of India itself, if I can pick up any more ads, there is no ad.